So today we're gonna be dropping some seeds. What seeds are we planting today? Let's see. Okay, so today we are planting some cabbage seed. We're sowing some cabbage seeds. I'm about to drop it. So what I'm using the natural and organic seed starting mix. This is what I'm using. Over here we have basil, thyme, lavender, oregano, all kind of spices and herbs, callaloo, and that's a pumpkin. So I pour the seed starter mix in this tray right here, and I try and get the soil wet. So I'm soaking the soil because you need wet soil for germination. I'm kind of mixing it in there because if you guys work with this soil, you know how it is. The seed starting mix, it's just hard to get wet. Or you can mix your soil at a time, but this is what I do. Let me know what you do. If you have any question in the chat, I'm not no expert over here. I'm just a girl planting her own food. And you guys see all these fake food that they're selling in the store, you better get planting. It's gonna be sicker than sicker, and they're gonna get richer than richer. Richer and richer. We get sicker and sicker. That's how it work, guys. So what we dropping today, let's see what we have here. So we have some cabbage. You guys know I've been harvesting my cabbage, so we need to replenish them. We have some red cabbage right here. Those are some red cabbage. We have some other cabbage over there. So we have seeds everywhere. So this is how we manage to have food all year round. A lot of people say, oh, you manage to plant all year round or have food every day. I tell you guys, for the past 2 years, I can come out here and harvest something for dinner every day. So let's go. Let me show you guys. So I'm kind of waiting for this to soak up this water. And you don't have to soak it. You can water it after, but I like to do it before. So what I'm using some rainwater from my drum right there. I have a rain barrel right here. So we are using the water from the rain barrel right there. We're using some good old rainwater. So let's dive into the seed sowing. Trying to work here with one hand, so bear with me. As you see, it's the organic cabbage. So I'm trying to open the pack. And then what I'm gonna do, you guys can make little tracks or little holes if you want. I'm gonna drop one right there. I usually drop 2 in each hole, so if one don't germinate, the other one will. So I'm gonna put 2 right there. That's a lot of seeds in the package anyway, and the whole thing is wet, so I'd rather not save none. So I'm putting 2 seeds in each dab. As you see, I just use my finger. Just give it a little prick. I'm telling you, you gotta make this thing work one way or the other. Just gotta figure it out. If you're waiting until you have money, a lot of people say, when I get some money, I'm gonna start sowing my own, planting my own seed. Okay, keep waiting. That money may never come. But until then, I'm gonna use what I have, all the fruit trays. I'm gonna use the water bottles, because if you notice, that's a water bottle right there. And I'm just dropping these seeds. I love purple cabbage, so I plant a lot of purple cabbage too. I like green cabbage as well. So I just like cruciferous vegetables. It's high nutrients dense, kale, broccoli, cauliflower. So I plant a lot of those because you get in a lot in. And with me, since I changed my lifestyle, I can only eat so much, so I prioritize my food. Okay, what I'm gonna eat, because I'm gonna get full. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna sprinkle the rest in here because the bag's already wet. It's not much in there though. You know, these organic packages, they probably put 15 seeds in there. So the paper already wet. So I'll go ahead and just throw everything in there. Why not? That's it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here now with some trying to spread it out. So I'm gonna get some dirt over here, some dirt, some soil over there. I'm gonna sprinkle. And why I'm putting the soil before I put the seed starter is because the soil is more softer and easier for the seeds to pop through. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put the soil, then I'm gonna add the seed starter mix. And you don't need a lot, just a little. When you start in your seed, you don't do it thick, you do it really thin. So the seeds are gonna pop out the dirt pretty soon, and that's it. You can sprinkle some water on top, or you can do as I do, put it in there and the water it's gonna soak right up. And that's how we start our seed. So it's gonna be up and germinate in a couple of days. Cabbage really germinate fast. Most brassica does. Okay, so that's it, and that's cabbage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clamp this down and probably leave it out here for right now. And that's it. And these are, if you notice, this is just a kiwi container. I buy kiwi in these and I just repurpose it. So that's it. It's gonna take a lot, guys. Let's go. See you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. And those are some broccoli and some, I think those are dragon tongue beans. I did plant 6 of them. Okay, so there's one right here. My sister asked her to plant them one day. There's one right there. There's one right there. So I only see 2. But they're there.